Hi, this is Dave from JavaCodeJunkie.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the community edition of IntelliJ IDEA for Java programming from JetBrains. So in your favorite browser, we're going to go to the address jetbrains.com. And from there we'll look at IntelliJ-based IDEs. So find your IDE, click on that. IntelliJ IDEA, click on the download button, and we're going to click on the community edition. I've been using the Eclipse IDE for Java development for years now, and I haven't really felt the need to even look at anything else because I'm quite comfortable with Eclipse and it does everything that I need it to do. Lately, I've been looking at some online reviews of the IntelliJ IDEA IDE for Java development, and even though Eclipse does everything that I need it to do, and I'm quite fluent in using it, I'm going to take a look at IntelliJ IDEA because it's supposed to be the most productive IDE for Java developers. So the file is downloaded. Let's open it up in the folder, and I'll right-click and install or run as administrator. And here's the community edition setup wizard. So click on the next button. Here's the default destination folder. I'm going to leave it at the default. You can certainly choose something else if you'd like to install it at a different destination. Click Next. And you can certainly change any of these options. I'm going to leave them right now at the default, not selected. I'm going to click Next and install. And the setup has completed, so I'll check the checkbox Run the Community Edition and click Finish. And one of the main reasons for installing IntelliJ IDEA IDE is the dark mode screen, which a lot of people seem to like. And we'll skip remaining and set defaults. And IntelliJ starts and you get the menu that's shown right here. You can open an existing project, you can create a new project, or you can get a project from your version control system. So I'm just going to say create new project, test FX. So let's run that to make sure we get the Hello World window. There you have it. IntelliJ has been downloaded and installed, and it works with JavaFX. Join me again next time where we will continue to explore JavaFX and IntelliJ IDEA. Please like, subscribe, and click on the bell to be notified when I post more content. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.